Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome back, energy enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a technical breakthrough that completely rewrites the script on what is possible for clean energy infrastructure in West Africa. We're not just talking about basic backup power anymore. We are talking about grid independent, high voltage vehicle charging engineered directly on our shores. Let's take a quick look at the team leading this charge. At AWPS Renewable Energy Limited, our mission has always been to push the absolute boundaries of power engineering. There is a massive misconception that high-capacity electric vehicles can only thrive under Western infrastructure. Today, we are completely dismantling that myth. We are taking you inside a revolutionary, real-world setup. The SigEnergy SigenStor ecosystem and its companion 24 kilowatt EVDC fast charger. To understand why this system is making waves, we must look at the underlying electrical physics of power conversion. There are two ways an electric vehicle receives power: alternating current or AC, and direct current or DC. Most residential setups utilize traditional AC charging. When you plug an EV into a standard wall box, AC power travels from the home into the vehicle. However, a car battery can only store power as direct current. This forces the car to route the electricity through its own internal components called an onboard charger to handle this conversion. This onboard device is a massive bottleneck. It creates heat, wastes energy, and throttles your charging speed down to a crawl, often taking 8 to 12 hours to completely fill a battery. DC fast charging completely changes this dynamic. A DC fast charger handles the heavy lifting of power conversion outside of the vehicle, right inside the wall unit. It pumps high voltage, ready-to-use direct current directly into the car's battery pack, bypassing internal bottlenecks entirely. The difference in speed is night and day. To see what this engineering looks like when deployed, let's cross over to the field with our resident expert, Dr. Sola, as he introduces this landmark installation. This is the SigEnergy 25 kilowatt DC EV charger. I believe this is the very first one installed on Nigerian soil. We're not just talking about charging a car, we're talking about changing how we power our lives. Before we dive into the specs, let's go to the basics. What actually is an EV charger? Think of it as the bridge between the energy in your home or the sun and the battery in your car. Most people are used to AC charging. Those slow wall boxes that take 8 to 12 hours to fill a car is like filling a drum with a garden hose. What Dr. Sola is standing next to is widely considered the Apple of the energy storage industry. Traditionally, Engineering a high-capacity system required a complex puzzle of mismatched parts. An inverter from one manufacturer, a battery pack from another, a separate controller, and a standalone third-party charger. The SigEnergy SigenStor integrates all 5 key power elements into a single, beautifully unified, stackable ecosystem. Let's look at the numbers this system generates in active operation. Meet our client, Mr. Nuruddin Abbas. He operates a thriving accounting practice in Australia and drives a luxury Tesla. He also maintains a world-class home in Ghana, where he spends about 5 weeks out of every 3 months. For his African estate, he demanded absolute infrastructure resilience. We deployed a 12 kilowatt SigEnergy inverter, over 25 kilowatts peak of solar panels, and 24 kilowatt hours of stackable battery storage. But the real magic happened when he plugged in his vehicle.
This is it. Okay, as you can see, it's charging. The remaining time is 2 hours 26 minutes. In 2 hours 26 minutes, the battery will be full. Now it's at 40%, and let me zoom it. The battery is charging at 23.6 kilowatt. That's interesting.
The data on that dashboard is staggering. When Mr. Abbas utilized a standard residential AC charger at his home, the car could only draw a minor 1.8 kilowatts. But plugged into a dedicated EVDC system, it instantly stabilized at nearly 24 kilowatts. To put that in perspective, this home setup in Ghana is charging his vehicle 3 times faster than his residential charger handles his Tesla back in Australia. He can achieve a complete top-off from empty in just over 2 hours. Efficiency and thermal management are where this system truly shines. In environments like Lagos or Accra, local power grids suffer from heavy fluctuations and frequent voltage spikes. When the grid acts up, traditional solar systems can trip or shut down completely to protect themselves. But look at how Dr. Solar breaks down the intelligence of the SigEnergy framework. For your house, this unit allows vehicle to home V2H. When the grid goes down, this 25 kilowatt charger can pull power out of your car battery to run your ACs, your fridge, and your lights. Your car isn't just a mode of transport anymore. It is your personal power plant. History was made on Monday. The first 25 kilowatt SigEnergy DC charger in Nigeria is officially online. We are moving away from noise, away from fumes, and moving towards a cleaner, more independent Nigeria. By utilizing smart AI algorithms to analyze solar generation and grid health in real time, the system doesn't just charge fast. It completely protects your vehicle's sensitive battery cells from local thermal stress and grid spikes. You see, Dr. Solar does not believe in audio solar. He doesn't deal in the empty hype, cheap unverified components, or guesswork that you often see floating around the market. He believes strictly in data-driven, mathematically sound, engineered solutions. When you build with real data, your infrastructure performs exactly as promised, transforming a standard home into a completely automated utility hub. This brings us to the ultimate capability of this installation: bidirectional power flow, or vehicle-to-home technology, known as V2H. Prolonged seasonal rains can occasionally drop solar production for days at a time, leaving standard home batteries depleted. This is where Mr. Abbas's vehicle ceases to be just transportation and becomes a mobile power station. His Kia EV5 carries an immense 88 kilowatt-hour battery reservoir. Thanks to the bidirectional engineering of our charger, when the home batteries run low, the system can safely pull high-voltage electricity out of the car and feed it back into the estate. It can run heavy air conditioning units, deep freezers, and primary structural lighting grids for days on end. Your vehicle becomes your absolute insurance policy against darkness. Whether you're a local executive or a global professional balancing life between the diaspora and West African hubs, your home deserves an infrastructure setup that meets rigorous international standards. Right now, we're on a massive mission to grow this channel to 10,000 subscribers to prove to the world that our community values real, hard tech. But we need your help to get there. The YouTube algorithm relies entirely on your active engagement, your likes, comments, and shares to drive high-value, data-driven content like this into the feed of people who actually need it. If you believe in engineered realities over audio solar, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video right now. This is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. See you in the next one.